Uncle, that you are here.
Yeah, no problem.
So I'm not
Thank you for
alone.
inviting me.
I'm not alone with Andy. Do I need to change my name of my social medias? Because I use Oliver Cagas, no?
Yeah.
Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
Yeah.
So now my question is, and I want to ask Cagas, Frau Olivia Gimaker.
You're talking.
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Hello Cagas! Welcome back to another vlog! It's me, Oliver Cagas. Cagas, for today's video ay kasama po natin si Joey. Come here. At saka si Andy naman po. Ito lang natin ito. Yan sila. Oh, wait. In this moment of time, Andy is there. Hi, Joey!
Welcome back to another vlog.
So, maglakad-lakad kami sa city kasi po, yung mga daddy ko tumawag sa akin na kailangan ko daw kumuha ng what we're going to, kumuha ng post. Uy. Oh, langsam! Post. Isa pa ako. Post doon sa city. So, kailangan kunin namin kasi po, today is come. We can here. Wir wechseln, Väter, okay? Wir wechseln. Ja, bitte. So while Joey bring Andy, I will make a little vlog.
Andy bring me.
Andy bring you, yeah, correct. So tumawag si Daddy na si Daddy Uwe na punta ko ng post, kukunin ko yung mga post doon, baka alam mo yung baka may mga papel, mga post, mga brief ba na kailangan or mail na kailangan basahin, or may mga info, 'di ba? So kailangan kunin ko, and sumama rin si Joey, and thank God andito si Joey. Joey, thank you that you are here. So I'm not alone.
Yeah.
Danke that you are here.
Yeah, no problem.
So I'm not
Thank you for
alone.
inviting me.
I'm not alone with Andy. So, but tomorrow we're gonna. I hope we have a good weather tomorrow, so we can make a plan with Harvey and her husband
Harvey
Howie.
comes.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Woo,
Yeah.
Harvey.
So let's go. And
Harvey's so nice.
Harvey is so nice though.
I like his laughing.
You like her?
I like her laughing. Wie sie lacht, you know.
Okay.
Andy!
So Harvey, do you have €1 there? You need to pay for one point.
Ich hab so viel zu bezahlen hier.
You have 1 point now. So bago lang ako naligo, hindi ako naglagay ng wax kasi po wala lang. Hindi ko lang type today kasi po mahaba kasi ang buhok ko, so parang ano lang ba, ganituhin ko na lang para mas ma-arrange yung buhok ko, di ba? Ito.
Regnet doch gar nicht.
Ja, aber so meine Haare.
Ja, ich hab dir gesagt, mach Wachs rein. Aber wie immer, du hörst nicht auf.
Niemand heard of this?
Niemand hat auf mich.
Wie ich. So Joey is here, very sporting, very chic. Oh. So can I bring Andy now? Yeah. In the Mitte, immer der Mitte, diese, weißt du?
Ja, ich recorde schon.
This is the Japanese garden. We were there before.
Yeah.
So maybe we can visit there again, no?
Yeah.
You know who is the happiest now? Happiest man in the world?
You?
No.
Andy?
Andy, because dog likes to walk, no?
Yeah.
So that's
I know.
Andy. That's Andy. And my dad is they are happy also that we bring Andy. Yeah. And because that's good for
Dad's go 1 and Dad's go 2.
Yeah, my car guys told me, only don't call Dad 1, Dad 2, just call Dad Uwe or Dad Egbert.
Yeah.
Just call the name and then Dad, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe it's more polite, it's more formal.
Okay.
want to tell you that this one is the cinema or kino. The cinema, no?
Cinema, yeah, in English.
The owner of this cinema before were my daddies. But they sold it. It's because of that Corona time, you know.
Mm.
They
You
need
know,
to give a
it
lot.
was a hard time.
And then they need money for this adoption. That was pandemic time,
Mm.
you know.
Yeah, I know.
So let's go now and more info later. You can see the land here. Just show it to Ka, guys. Land. What is land?
Lahn is a river in Germany, a big river, but not the biggest. Rhine is the biggest.
Yeah, here. Here.
Yeah, you have so much new followers, I saw, in the last 2 weeks, because your adopted video was very high performing.
Yeah.
And who are you, Olli? Who are you? How old are you?
I am Oliver Kagas.
Yeah, that's
But now it's not Oliver Kagas anymore. Oliver Gimmicker.
G-Mecker.
G.
G-Mecker.
Okay, so I repeat. Oliver Gimmicker. So I am still.
But your artist name is still Kagas?
I don't know.
You want
That's,
to keep?
that's our topic for today. I have to ask. Do I need to change my all my social medias? The name of my social medias? Because I use Oliver Kagas, no?
Yeah.
Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
Yeah.
So now my question is, and I want to ask Ka guys, you know, do I need to change my name into Oliver Gimmicker? It's just a courtesy to my father, you know, because they adopted me. He adopted me. So I need to change it? Or what do you think? And also, I need to change the name of, this is Ka guys, you know? So I need to change into G guys. G guys, because G is Gimmicker.
Gimmicker, yeah.
So guys
I know
is
what you mean.
guys. So Ka guys is Kagas.
But please, Kagas, please notice it's a problem that you change your name because you have new links. New links means new.
Yeah, then I need to change the
yeah,
links.
yeah.
It's easy. It's,
But,
it's also easy.
but alle Links sind dann, die im Internet sind, weg. Auch
Yeah,
der
then I need to
Algorithmus
change-
kennt dich nicht
I
mehr.
need to change.
Ja.
So do I need to change Oliver Gimmicker or just to stay, or I need to stay what?
Kagas.
What is that? So, and we need to ask Ka guys if there's a 50-50, 50-50, 50%, 50%, or 90%, yes, you need to change. 10%, no, just stay who you are, stay your name. We need to ask them. And you, can I ask you? Yeah,
My opinion is stay Kagas.
stay Kagas, okay. But I need to, like, poll. You know, poll? Like,
A voting.
voting station.
Yeah.
Okay, just comment down below and then I will read everything. If I can see that 90% change, then I will change it. Just for the courtesy of my parents, you know. So I need to use it all my Facebook, social media, all my social media's account. But know that I'm still Kagas, no, my blood still Filipino. Just the papers, you know, just you know. And I need it because I want it. Let's go. Ka guys, iwan ko muna kayo dito, so you need to wait here, no? Dito sila sa Idika naghintay kasi doon po yung post. Punta lang ako doon para hindi sila pupunta na doon talaga. Ako lang kasi ang pupunta. See you later. Alligator and crocodile. Yung buko, oh, na ano na talaga siya. Oh, mahangin kasi sa labas kaya hayaan nyo na ha. Ka guys, labas ko lang po doon. Ang dami oh. I have a lot of posts.
Wow.
Also my name.
Ja,
and
pass
also
auf, dass die Adresse zu sehen ist.
and also for my father. To my dad. So di ko na alam kung paano to gagawin, dalhin. Kasi wala pala akong bag na dala, but hawak kamay ko na lang. So are you going to Idika now?
Yeah.
What do you want to go? What do you want to Edeka?
Popcorn mais.
So he wants to buy popcorn mais because we have popcorn machines in the house.
Yeah.
My dad gave it to you.
Yeah.
Naya?
For rent.
For rent. For rent is you need to pay, but that you don't need to
For
pay.
rent for free.
For rent for free for a day. For a day. So I need to stay here with Andy.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So see you later again.
See you later, alligator.
Okay.
Komm mal her.
Bibili na siya ng popcorn daw kasi mag-popcorn daw siya later sa bahay. Kaya guys, pauwi na po kami ng bahay. Yan sa Andy, oh. And what are you into for?
Into what?
What are you bringing? Or what did you bring?
I bring your post.
Oh, thank you.
I serve your post.
Yeah?
Uh-oh.
Look.
Uh-oh.
Careful. Andy, you bring my post. So,
I bring your post.
thank you.
I'm your post.
Andy, here. Andy! Brigada in the park, ma.
Wow, Japanese part. Kannst du bitte Andi nehmen? Ah!
Kannst du bitte Andy nehmen?
Post und Andi.
Gib mal dein Tasche, danke. So, let's. Oh. Hey, falsch. Diese Seite. That is wrong way.
Ich weiß.
Wrong turn.
Sag das dem da.
You know wrong turn?
Sag das dem da.
Andy, wrong turn.
Oh, oh.
You know wrong turn?
Yeah, Wrong Turn, the movie.
Yeah. Wow, look at these flowers. It's very yellow.
Very beautiful.
Yeah,
The sun is not shining.
but it's very yellow. Look. Wow. It's my first time to see this kind of flowers, you know? So we need to take it away. Galing, oh, ganda, oh.
Andi, you're so dirty.
You're so dirty. That's your expression now. Andy, you're so dirty. Ganda. Oh, ang sweet naman ng dalawa, eh.
Pfui. Nicht schon.
Wait, Andy, what's wrong with your hair?
Ja.
Oh, my hair. Look, guys, here. So let's go here sa park.
My hair.
This is called Japanese Park because the owner of this park is Japanese. From Japan.
Hopfen, das Gewürz des Biers.
Ist weiß. Das habe ich gelernt.
Bier?
Yeah.
Ja, das war ja klar.
What is the ingredients of the beer? What are the ingredients of beer in Germany?
Yeah, we have in Germany
Water.
a recipe for beer. Oh, Gott, dieser Hund.
So, what did you say? And the butter.
We have a recipe in Germany.
Ingredients.
Ingredients, yeah, for beer. It means Reinheitsgebot für Bier. Das heißt, es dürfen nur 2 Zutaten. 2 ingredients.
No, 4.
4?
4
Okay,
ingredients.
sorry, 4 ingredients for beer.
You know who?
Ah, you're a hotel manager. I know that was in your practice.
Yeah.
I know. 4.
And in my exam, the professor asked me what are the ingredients of the beer and why there's ingredients.
Mhm.
And then I said, okay.
Yeah.
So
What's the answer?
this is so easy
What's the answer?
because they asked me. Then I said, do you know also the answer? Then the professor said, yes, I know. Then answer for me, please. And then
said?
I have null punkt.
Ja, super.
I have zero
You
points.
can see Hopfen.
Yeah.
Hopfen, that's the first ingredient.
Hopfen,
Hopfen, I think water,
water, malts.
malts, and
That's why I told to my dad, that's why the beer in Germany are the same. The same taste. Same taste. And then he said, Oliver, don't say it because if someone hear it, then you get in trouble.
yeah.
But
It makes no sense if you buy a
Radler.
beer of this company or this company is always the same.
but he said,
He said, we don't say in Germany it's the same.
yeah, that's why I don't say it, but I say it in a joke. But he did said, yeah, I know that. Oh, our garden.
Welcome to Japanese garden in Bad Lasbe.
It's your first time here, Andy, right? Wow, look.
Andi, ja.
This is guava. This is guava. Andy, nein, give my back. Bitte.
Aber du hast es doch schon gefilmt.
Ja, aber Andy ist noch nicht hier.
Ja, aber du hast doch schon Vlog hier gemacht.
Guys, if you remember, I made a vlog here before. It's not yet ripe. No? I cannot eat it.
So, Andi, mir reicht's jetzt. Böser Hund.
Böser Hund. Wow, look here. For train, railway.
Andi. Aus.
So, pauwi na po kami ng bahay and palitan kami ni Joey. Thank you, Joey, because without you, no one will bring Andy for me. No one change. No one change.
Guck dir den an, den Hund.
Er ist fix und fertig.
He's so unfriendly.
So unfriendly.
Kein Benehmen. My Cookie is so cute. She's very friendly and very nice. But this dog, oh, he's
He's strong.
He's a Philippine.
He's a Filipino.
His temperature is excited.
Yeah. He's always excited.
He's very friendly, but oh, guck mal, Glas.
So let's go now. Here, let's go because it's not. So, Japan.
You can see in my vlog,
Yeah.
the cinematic vlog of Bad Larsberg.
Yeah, watch the vlog of Joey Reininghoff.
It is vlog 11. 11, yeah?
Vlog 11.
Or 10.
Ne, 9.
9?
10, we were in Wiesbaden.
Stimmt. Vlog 9 is Ollie and me, when we show you Bad Larsberg.
And then that was cinematic.
Cinematic
It's
vlog.
like a movie.
Yeah, a little bit.
Fairy tale.
I give my best.
So let's go now.
Let's go, Andy.
Andy! Kimaya! There's a lot of Bosch na, no? Bosch. Okay, thumbs up. Wow! Look! You drink a lot. And don't worry because the water is not dirty. Because it's a river, you know? Yeah, look there. There's pools. Wood. But you know, Andy, swimming in the water. Oh. That field doors. And it's good because it's summer, no? It's easy. Good for him.
Ihm macht das nichts aus, nee. Er freut sich. Ich weiß noch, als er das im Frühjahr gemacht hat, dann war er pechschwarz. He was so black after this. Oh,
But not
Andy!
here, but not here. Under the oven, no? You want to go under again? Go there.
Ja, der will uns nur nass machen. We just want to make us wet.
You drink water. See up? Eee! It's good for you. It's good. Endlich. Joey told me, can I bring Andy? It's because we are almost in the house. Thank you for the help. And now you like this because someone push you. Sag mal. 1, 2.
Er hat was gesehen.
Ja, aber du musst das nicht einfach, du musst es ziehen. Ich mach das. Tira yung buko o sige lang. Ngayon, tatawagan ko pa yung daddy ko kapag nasa bahay na kasi maraming post na akong natanggap ba sa mapangalan nila. Kasi minsan kasi kapag wala sila dito tapos may post na name nila, hindi ko naman talaga yan bubuksan kasi name nila yon. Minsan tatawagan ko sila at ipabugas sa akin para malaman nila tapos papicturan. Hanga ka guys. Joey, because we walk a lot, maybe I have abs now. What did you say? Mak nok ma.
I'm shy.
Jetzt auf einer Zwischenstation. Gerade eben das Auto abgestellt, eingeparkt.
Ja?
Und Egbert holt jetzt ein Parkticket, dass wir hier stehen.
Ah, okay.
Und dann fahren wir vielleicht mit den Scootern in die Stadt oder keine Ahnung. Das Wetter ist nicht so toll.
Ah,
Wir
okay.
werden sehen.
Und wo seid ihr jetzt momentan?
In Stade.
Wo ist das?
Das ist 40 Kilometer vor Hamburg.
Ah, okay. Und heute Abend, wo übernachtest du? Wo übernachtet ihr?
In
Stade.
Stade.
Okay.
Deswegen haben wir gerade einen Platz gebucht.
Okay, dann ich rufe dir gleich an und ich schicke dir Bilder von diesem Paket und dann post, okay?
Ja, so machen wir das. Alles klar.
Alles klar, bis gleich und tschüss.
Alles klar, bis später. Tschüss.
Tschüss. So, tumawag po yung daddy ko si Uber kasi po, sinabi niya sa akin kung ano daw yung laman ng mga post kasi sindan ko ng picture tsaka sabi niya, pag masend ko ng picture, sabihan niya ako kung saan yung i-open ko doon. Kasi naka-name kasi naka-address sa kanila. So, to my cameraman, thank you for
So,
that.
and now in German for me, please.
Uwe hat mich angerufen wegen dieser Post. Dann ich schicke viele Bilder von dir. Und dann sag mir gleich, welche Post soll ich öffnen.
Wow, so much good Deutsch.
Guck mal, das ist Musik. So, guys, mag-open natin ng brief. Von Uwe, von Egbert.
Ja.
What is the name? Stadt Bad Lasper? Das ist Amtsgericht, meinst du? Egbert.
Da steht extra Großhotelbetrieb. Und da drüber steht Stadt Bad
Ach so, ja, genau. Hotelbetrieb.
Mach das doch bitte mal auf.
So, I need to open it for my daddy.
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Mag-open na tayo. Oh mein God, du musst bezahlen. Genau. Ja, steht hier 85. 85 Betrag.
Wofür?
Soll ich ein Foto machen?
Mach ein Foto und schick mir das.
Ja, warte mal.
Und dann.
Warte.
Wie sieht der denn aus?
Nicht. Ja, ich mache ein Foto. So. Guck mal, ich habe schon. Auch eine andere Seite. So. Ich habe schon an welche Nacht?
Ja, okay, das ist das, was Egbert bezahlen muss für die 85 Euro.
So, welche Nacht?
So, dann machen wir jetzt das nächste. Moment.
Guys, kailangan kong i-open ito. Tinawagan ko sila kasi baka kailangan. Kagaya nito, dapat magbayad na.
Bitte warten, nach der Werbung geht es weiter.
Die beiden vom Amtsgericht machen wir noch auf.
Amtsgericht ist gelber, brown.
Da steht Amtsgericht Köln drauf.
Ja, soll ich es öffnen? Ja?
Ja, klar.
Ja? So ito, buksan natin. Amtsgericht. Oh my God. Ach so. Das ist so viel Kopie.
Was?
Das ist von Michael Lenz. Was ist das denn hier? Guck mal.
Michael Lenz?
Okay, hast du gesehen? Ich habe ein Foto geschickt.
Das ist noch nicht da.
Da.
Jetzt ist es da.
Ich denke, das ist von Steuer.
Registergericht. HRB, Nachtrag. Sehr geehrte Frau Teichmann, urschriftlich zurück bei liegender Registerauszüge. Keine Ahnung. Das Überweisungsauftrag. Ich weiß nicht, was die von mir wollen. Gut, das vergessen wir jetzt. Dann machen wir das nächste auf.
Okay, next. The next one. Wo ist der Jakobwitz?
Der ganz
Ach so, ja, die große. Hier. So, ito na, buksan natin next. Next buksan.
sind die Löhne voll.
Ah, das ist von... So. Hier, Smackfoto. Dit is nur Journal. Hast du schon?
Nein. Das kommt aber gleich. Ja, das. Moment. Das sind die Löhne. Kannst du wieder in den Umschlag tun? Das machen wir, wenn wir da sind.
Okay.
Was ist denn jetzt noch übrig?
Das ist Amtsgericht. Call. Nochmal von dir. Für dich.
Ja, dann macht das auch noch auf. Das wird eine Gebühr sein für die Löschung, der Imweg oder sonst irgendwas. Mist.
Mein Gott! Noch bezahlen.
Ja, das ist Deutschland. Land der Steuern. Country of Tax.
Landessteuern, Deutschland.
Landessteuern.
Hast du gesehen? Ich habe Foto geschickt.
Germany, the country of tax.
The country of tax.
Ich habe kein Foto bekommen.
Ja, dann guck mal.
Ich freue mich schon auf den Vlog, der wird so lustig.
Und Sitz, was glaubst du? Was ist das denn?
Ich weiß auch nicht.
Ach, das ist die Teilung des Grundstücks.
Okay. Now I know.
Teilung, bevor die Straße gemacht wird, sonst können wir das nicht mehr bezahlen. Christoph Blecher. Und da muss was bezahlt werden.
Nee. Ich weiß nicht, was ist deine?
Sag nicht einfach nee, du weißt es doch gar nicht.
Ja, ich habe keine Ahnung. Und warum steht hier Frau Olivia Gimaker? Kagas, nagiging Frau Olivia, nagiging babae na ako dito. Instead of Oliver, naging Olivia.
Egbert hat gesagt, möglicherweise ist Vanessa jetzt auch von uns adoptiert worden.
I need to open this because it state here, the name here is Olivia Gimaker. Huh?
Ja, lass es liegen. Mach bitte mal.
Ja, was noch?
Ja, Egbert sagt, möglicherweise hast du das Kreuz an der falschen Stelle gemacht und bist jetzt Frau Olivia.
Wow! Mrs. Oliviera Gimaker.
Noch Fragen zu deinem Paket? Ja. Oliver,
Ja.
von wem ist das kleine Paket? Das kleine. Ist das von Motion?
Die Kleine ist von... Steht nicht hier.
Doch, das steht bei Absender. Du hast ein Foto gemacht, aber das können wir nicht lesen.
Das ist von Eve Motion, ja?
Gut, dann ist alles gut. Mehr wollte ich, brauchst du auch, alles gut.
Ja.
Das wollte ich nur wissen.
Und die Große?
Das ist von Temo, das ist alles gut, das ist okay. Das weiß ich.
So, das war's.
Das war's.
Dann, danke Olli.
Ja, danke, Olli. Oh nee, danke, Olivia.
What?
Danke, Olivia, das hast du wunderbar gemacht.
Ja, ja, ja.
Denkst du am Wochenende noch ans Apartment oben?
Ja, ich mach das morgen.
Okay. Wie ist denn das Wetter in Lastre?
Jetzt ist trocken.
Was?
Jetzt ist trocken. Wir waren heute in der Stadt, Andi war auch dabei, wir sind jetzt glücklich, fix und fertig. Ja, und er hat auch geschwommen im Land.
Das ist schön.
Er hat viel Wasser getrunken, weil es so trocken und dann warm.
Ja, dann hat er jetzt Spaß gehabt.
Ja. Okay.
Alles klar, danke, Olivia. Ne?
Was?
Danke, Olivia.
Cheers.
Tschüss. Liebe Grüße.
Liebe Grüße, Zuluk.
Ciao.
Ciao. Kagis, nagiging Olivia man ang nakalagay kasi the post nito. Oh, gugma. Frau Olivia gimmick. Frau, it means miss. Kinuok ko. Pataka naman yung German. Pataka, good mo. Joey, come here. I want to, we need to, Andy, we need to shout out Mom Apple. Mom Apple.
Apple pie.
Come here so she can see you. Mom Apple, she's watching our vlog. And she said she's stressed if we don't have vlog. You know?
Was hat sie gesagt?
She is stressed.
Ach so. She's nervous if you don't post vlogs.
Yeah, like Tita from Davao. Why you don't post every day? You need to post every day. Okay, thank you guys for the...
Happy shout out for you, Apple.
Was ist das denn hier? Das ist nicht von mich. Hä? Guck mal. Liebe Frau Gimmick. Probe abonnieren mehr. Was endet in Kurze? Wollen Sie sagen? Das ist nicht meins, oder?
Doch. Du hast anscheinend irgendeine Post abonniert. Westfalenpost.
Now, guys, I'm so happy because before, if I received this like this, stayed here, here, Oliver Cagas. And now, they changed everything. It's now...
Du Oliveira Gemeka.
They changed everything. Here is Oliver Gimmicker. And then, I was shocked. So, oh, this is my first packet or the first post that I got.
Letter.
With letter or post with my adopted name. So I told to my daddy that I have received like this. And then the name there is Oliver Gimmicker. Then, oh wow, that's a Bashern. So I need to open this one. Oh my God, another to pay. Personal Ausweis. Guck mal. Sehr geehrter Herr Gimmicker. Oh, Herr Gimmicker, you know?
Ja, aber wieso ist alles groß geschrieben?
This is... okay. This is my Ausweis, look.
Yeah, this is your identity card for your online... your online... sorry. Your online personal identity card.
Yeah, because in the next week, maybe I will receive my ID, the German ID and German passport. So that's why they need to give me this pin. And
yeah, with this pin you can
legitimate
with your identity card online. Also, you need this pin and your identity card. Your identity card in Germany has a NFC chip. And yeah, you can use it for cigarettes or for adults things.
So they can identify me.
Identify you, yeah.
That I'm here in Germany, that I'm a German.
Yeah. So maybe you can use it also for Egypt flight.
Yeah, and also for protection.
For what?
Protection. You know, if maybe someone stole my wallet and my ID is there.
Nah, your wallet is another thing.
Okay, but yeah, maybe then my ID is there. This can this is from Oliver Cagas because they can scan it. They can scan the.
Yeah.
And then if something happened to me and then no one knows who is.
Yeah, if you want to create a bank account, for example, you need also this identity card online. Then you can create a new bank account between 5 minutes with this online identity card.
Easier, no?
Yeah.
So thank you for the help and then the information.
No problem!
You may go out. Guys, kasi po si Joey at saka si Andy kakarating lang nila dito sa bahay. Naglabas sila. Sabi ni Joey na, okay lang ba Oli kung ikaw magluto sa pagkain ko? Ano na siya, initin lang naman to. Luto na to siya para initin. Yeah, vegan. Mga vegan. So, ito ay mainit na here. Chicken to. Tapos ito naman para siyang bola-bola, no? Meatballs. Pero, ano pa to? Vegan falafel. So, initin lang siya. Ang partner niya dito is rice. Nagluto na po ako ng rice. Kasi lumabas sila ni Andy, no? So, well, lumabas sila, nag-map din ako sa bahay. So, tapos ako mag-map. Para maganda tingnan. Well, naglinis. Nagluto din ako nito. Sige pa. Sinakaya naman kay Joey, oy. Kasi kapag bisita mo, dapat pagsilbihan mo. Gano'n naman tayo guys ng mga Pinoy, tayo. Na, alam mo, head German na ako. German na yung mga papeles ko, gano'n. Pero Pinoy pa rin yung puso natin na we need to stay hospitable, diba? Remain humble kahit anong mayari sa buhay natin. Kung marami tayong blessings na darating, remain humble pa rin tayo para hindi kukunin yung blessings na para sa atin, diba? At saka, hindi lalayo ang mga blessings na para sa atin. So, humble lang tayo kung ano man ang nangyayari sa buhay natin. Pasalamat tayo sa buong may kapal, diba? So, dahil dyan, lutuan natin siya. Normally, itong falafel na vegan falafel, dapat i-partner siya sa mga sausage, basta siya i-partner. Pwede siya i-partner sa, sa noodle. Pwede siya, noodle, yung mga noodle dito, yung noodles, tsaka, pwede siya i-partner sa sa gulay, gimusin, tsaka, di-cooked rice. It means yung rice na niluluto natin, pwede siya i-partner. Ito, may nakalagay dito, tsaka soya bonen, yan. Herbs, dami siya. Pwede siya i-partner. So, kapag silbihan muna natin sila. So, guys, I am going to end this vlog po. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa vlog namin today, guys. Si Joey andun sa living room, tsaka si Andy. Nagmuni-muni ang dalawa. So, guys, I hope you are enjoying our vlog ngayon. Thank you so much. At saka, before pala ako mag-end, hintayin ko po yung mga comments niyo po, guys, kung papalitan ko ba ang pangalan ko is Oliver, yung apelyido ko sa social media sa account ko, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook na Oliver Gimmicker. Diba? Sinabi ko na sa vlog ko dati na apelyido ko na ay Gimmicker, diba? Gimmicker, ganun. So, do I need to change it? Guys, ayun, so I need your comments down below. Please comment po. Kahit marami ako nabasa ba na malimit na doon sa nag-comment, ba't palaging nanonood? This time po, mag-comment naman kayo. Kahit ngayon lang. Kahit ngayon lang po na mag-comment kayo para malaman natin. Para mas, kasi kapag mag-comment kayo guys, it means alam na mga guys na papalitan ko, apelido ko para next time na maghanap kayo sa pangalan ko, baka hanapin yung Oliver Cagas. Tapos, hindi ko ba mahanap ang Oliver Cagas dito? Oliver Gimmicker na pala. So, di ba, at least aware lahat kayo. Since I respect you guys, di ba, kasi, we are one family na dito. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay safe. God bless us all. This has been Oliver Cagas and then, cheers!